मिरर मिरर ऑन द वॉल हुज द फेयरेस्ट वन ऑफ ऑल। स्नो वाइट की स्टोरी बचपन में शायद आपने सुनी हो। उसमें बेचारी क्वीन का रोज यही काम था कि रेडी होके वैलिडेशन के लिए मिरर के पास चली जाती थी। पुअर अनइवॉल्व्ड ह्यूमन बीइंग्स, उनकी गलती नहीं है। पुराने जमाने में मिरर का एक ही काम होता था कि उससे पूछा जाता था कि हम कैसे लग रहे हैं। क्या आप भी पुराने जमाने के लोगों की तरह मिरर को सिर्फ देखने के लिए यूज करते हैं कि ओ गॉड मेरी स्किन पे कहाँ पिंपल है, कहाँ पे स्पॉट है, मैं कितनी खराब लग रही हूँ, यही सब आपके काम है? तो देन congratulations for watching this video, because today I will teach you how you should use mirror for the real power of manifestations। क्योंकि टाइम आ चुका है सुपर कॉन्शियस अमेजिंग लोगों का जो कि इतने इवॉल्व्ड हैं, एनर्जी से ही अपनी सारी लाइफ को ड्रीम लाइफ में कन्वर्ट करते हैं। सो एंड आई प्रॉमिस यू दैट बाय द एंड ऑफ दिस वीडियो you would know exactly how you should use your mirror, and subscribe so that next time भी जब मैं कोई इतना बढ़िया वीडियो अपलोड करूं तो आपसे मिस ना हो and you are able to reprogram your subconscious। Now first of all let's listen to आलिया भट्ट।
कितने सारे शैम्पू बॉटल्स उठा के मैंने थैंक यू स्पीचेस दिया है बाथरूम में, मिरर को इमेजिन किया है, ये वो एक्सेट्रा।
Now you know that she uses the mirror, so instead of using the mirror for feedback, which is also okay, let's now start using the mirror for its power of manifestations, and I'm going to give you scientific and spiritual reasons both, and also I will tell you how you can use it. Now let's get straight into how you can use the mirror correctly manifest your desires। Now जो भी आपकी desire है, whatever it is, you want to be healthy, or you want to earn 5-6 crores in next few months, or you want to have a love manifestation desire in your mind, then focus on your goal. Now what you have to do is you have to do that acting. Yes, I'm right. You have to do that acting, and how you have to do it is like you have already achieved your desire. So let's say you have already achieved your fitness goal, and now how you look. You have already achieved your money goal, and now what you're doing about it, what you're doing with it. So you have to do that acting. And let's say you have manifested your love, then you have to act in front of the mirror. And then where you have to see in your eyes in the mirror. Yes, that's the real power. Because अगर आपने ये वाला स्टेप नहीं किया तो फिर आपकी मिरर मैनिफेस्टेशन में रिजल्ट नहीं आएगा। फिर आप मेरे को मत बोलना कि मैम ने बताया था और रिजल्ट नहीं आया। You have to literally keep looking at yourself in the eyes, and now I'm going to give you the explanations why you need to do it and why this works. Before we get into that, let me tell you, I give you these techniques inside my live sessions also. And if you want to manifest a desire with great speed, then you must not miss out on registering for High Energy Mastery in Hours program, where I see you live for 6 sessions and you are able to manifest with me within just 6 weeks. So usually the results are after 2 to 3 weeks, people start seeing small manifestations happening, and then wow, their manifestation techniques also start working. So it is a very quick program which can give you results. And if you're someone who wants to get that speed super fast और आपके पास 1 मिनट भी वेस्ट करने का नहीं है क्योंकि बाकी लोग सब manifestation करे जा रहे हैं और आप ही पीछे रह रहे हैं, then you must immediately register. Now look at the scientific reason. So if we look at the scientific reason, then the brain has RAS, Reticular Activating System, which means what your subconsciously focuses on and what it ignores. So when you are looking at yourself in the mirror, your subconscious is getting programmed to pick up all the opportunities which can help you achieve your goals. It is very scientific and it's proven. You can also do Google about it. So when you do it, it activates your RAS towards your goals and desires. Now let's look at the spiritual reason, because my coaching is giving you super fast results because this is the combination of both science and spirituality. And let me tell you, anything I read in Indian spirituality has scientific explanations. And I have such amazing synchronicities here that, you know, one book is a scripture and one book is a scientific book, and I see them going hand in hand. So oops, I think I'm blessed to do that. Now the spiritual explanation for this is eyes are the medium to look in your own soul. So when you look in your eyes, you're actually looking in your soul, in your higher self. That is the purest connection that you can have. You are literally exchanging energy with your higher self for the achievement of your goal, and so your manifestation is most likely to achieve very fast with the mirror manifestation technique. So I hope you understood, and if you really are ready, to use this technique, then I want to see your comment, a gratitude comment also, so that my energy is also with you when you are using mirror manifestation technique to manifest your desire. All right, then what are you waiting for? Subscribe and stay tuned for the next video. Bye bye.